What's up, guys, and welcome back to the Rails and Mass. On the afternoon of Friday, May 1st, 2026, Keola sent down a Middleborough Extra to pick up the MBTA's office cars. And just a couple hours after they arrived in Reedville, we find ourselves there to go check it out. As we arrive here at the Reedville layover yard, it appears we found what we're looking for. It's been a little bit since we've seen the office cars, and I hope to see them in action here soon. On a bit of a side note, it's also nice to still see the flanger and C2 caboose here. Definitely adds some color to the yard. The Mayflower is by far the most unique looking car in the MBTA with that large window. It wasn't until about this point that I realized we had something else interesting in the yard here today. 1071 has been pulled off a set. It seems to have been having a lot of problems lately. Although it's just a guess, I have a strong feeling these cars will be going to the north side on Sunday's Reedville Switcher. And we'll definitely be out there to check if they do or don't. With 1071 also reportedly having head-end power problems, I wouldn't be shocked to see that on the Switcher as well. But time will tell. One of the MBTA's gensets, number 3248, is also out working the yard today. I try to get a video of these every time I see them out, because I feel like half the time they're in storage. The gensets have definitely been very problematic for the MBTA, but I still enjoy seeing them. It's currently rush hour at the time of recording, so a lot of sets are out in the yards looking pretty empty. But in just a few weeks we'll be seeing the Cape Flyer set stored here again, and I'm looking forward to that as well. I got a feeling we're going to be seeing 1071 again on this channel very soon, whether it's in service or not. Alright, that's going to conclude our little evening adventure here in Reedville Yard. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future videos. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.